तो अभी तक हमने क्या क्या सीखा है? फाइंडिंग द रूट्स ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन यूजिंग फैक्टराइजेशन एंड यूजिंग द मेथड ऑफ completing the square. So are you enjoying our videos, friends? If you are enjoying our videos, enjoying learning maths, please like our videos, share our videos and subscribe our YouTube channel Study the Right Way. So in this session we are going to learn quadratic formula and nature of roots. So what is quadratic formula? This is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now let's take few examples and check how we can find out the roots using this formula. So first example I am taking 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. So here what is a, b and c? A is 3, b is minus 5 and c is 2. Now putting these values into this formula, we will get first, before putting the values in the formula, let's find out b square minus 4ac. So b square is what? Minus 5 ka square is 25 and minus 4ac. 4 into 3 is 12, 12 2s are 24. So 25 minus 24, that is equal to 1, and this is greater than 0, right friends? So we can find out the real root of 1. That is 1 का root क्या है friends? 1 का root है 1. So now putting these values into this formula, we are getting b minus b means minus minus 5, which is 5, plus minus we got b square minus 4ac as a 1. So 1 upon 2a means what? 2 3s are 6. So what are our final answers or final roots? 5 plus 1 upon 6 or 5 minus 1 upon 6. So this is nothing but 6 upon 6, that is 1, and this is nothing but 4 upon 6 means 2 by 3. So these are the two roots for the given quadratic equation. Let's take another example. So if you are finding any difficulty, please write it down in the comment box. Let's take another example, which is x square plus 4x plus 5 equals to 0. Now what are a, b and c here? A is 1, b is 4 and c is 5. Now let's first find out b square minus 4ac. 4 square is 16 minus 4ac is what? 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So what is this friends? Minus 4. And minus 4 का कोई भी real root नहीं होता है. We cannot find out the root of negative number. That means this equation is not having real roots. And which term decided this, friends? Yes, you are right. b square minus 4ac is deciding whether the given equation is having real roots or not having real roots. So there are three rules, like if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the given quadratic equation will have two distinct roots. Like in the previous example we saw 1 or 2 by 3. If b square minus 4ac equals to 0, the given quadratic equation will have two equal roots. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the given quadratic equation will not have real roots, like in the example we have seen just now. So let's see one or two more examples for more clarity on this. So you can, what the term b square minus 4ac, we can see this term is deciding whether the given equation is having real roots or not. That means this term we call it as a discriminant of given quadratic equation. So we may have the examples or sums like find the discriminant for the given equation. For example, the equation is 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0, and we just have to find out the discriminant. So we have to just find out a, b and c. A is 2, b is minus 4 and c is 3. Now see, what is b square? Minus 4 ka square hai 16 minus 4ac. 4ac means what? 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So this is what? Minus 8. So that's it, friend. We have to find out discriminant of the given quadratic equation, and discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac. Now let's take one example, or you can say word problem. Find the value of k for each of the following equation so that they have two equal roots. So let us take only one example, and you can solve more examples. Finding difficulty, please write it down in the comment box. So let's take one example, kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. Now what is the condition, friends? They are saying the given equation is having equal roots. That means b square minus 4ac will be 0, right? So let's first expand this equation. So it will be like kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equals to 0. Now what are the a, b and c here, friends? A is what? A is k. Yes, you are right. B is what? Minus 2k. And c is what? 6. So let's put these values in. B square minus 4ac equals to 0. B square is minus 2k का square है 4k square. 4k square. And 4ac is what? 4 6 are 24. 24k minus 24k equals to 0. That means what, friends? 4k square equals to 24k. Now let's divide both sides by, yes, you are right, both sides by 4k. So you will get k equals to 6, and that is the answer. Thank you, friends.